Notable figures who left us in 1984. Before we proceed further, consider subscribing our channel to show support. Diana Dors. She was born on 23rd October 1931. She was an English actress and singer. She died on 4th May 1984 at the age of 52. The reason of her death was ovarian cancer. Roland Culver. He was born on 31st August 1900. He was an English stage, film and television actor. He died on 1st March 1984 at the age of 83. The reason of his death was heart attack. Janet Gaynor. She was born on 6th October 1906. She was an American film, stage and television actress, as well as an accomplished oil painter. She died on 14 September 1984 at the age of 77. The reason of her death was pneumonia. James Mason. He was born on 15th May 1909. He was an English actor. He died on 27 July 1984 at the age of 75. The reason of his death was heart attack. Indus Arthur. He was born on 28th April 1941. She was an American film and television actress. She died on 29th December 1984 at the age of 43. The reason of her death was skin cancer. Richard Diacon. He was born on 14th May 1922. He was an American television and motion picture actor. He died on 8th August 1984 at the age of 62. The reason of his death was cardiovascular disease. June Duprez. She was born on 14th May 1918. She was an English film actress. She died on 30th October 1984 at the age of 66. The reason of her death was natural causes. Richard Burton. He was born on 10th November 1925. He was a Welsh actor. He died on 5th August 1984 at the age of 58. The reason of his death was cerebral hemorrhage. Flora Robson. She was born on 28 March 1902. She was a British actress and star of the theatrical, stage and cinema. She died on 7th July 1984 at the age of 82. The reason of her death was cancer. Vera Marshy. She was born on 15 July 1905. She was an American film and television character actress. She died on 25th March 1984 at the age of 78. The reason of her death was heart attack. Peggy Ann Garner. She was born on 3rd February 1934. She was an American child actress. She died on 16th October 1984 at the age of 52. The reason of her death was pancreatic cancer. Chuck Fisher. He was born on 26 September 1907. He was an American character actor, singer, musician, and comedian. He died on 16th March 1984 at the age of 76. The reason of his death was cancer. Sunny Johnson. She was born on 21st September 1953. She was an American actress. She died on 19 June 1984 at the age of 30. The reason of her death was brain hemorrhage. Christine McLanthier. She was born on 16th April 1911. She was an American actress and singer. She died on 8th July 1984 at the age of 73. The reason of her death was cancer. Gary Vinson. He was born on 22nd October 1936. He was an American actor. He died on 15th October 1984 at the age of 47. The reason of his death was suicide. Andrea Leeds. She was born on 18th August 1913. She was an American film actress. She died on 21st May 1984 at the age of 70. The reason of her death was cancer. Lucille Benson. She was born on 17th July 1914. She was an American character actress. She died on 17th February 1984 at the age of 69. The reason of her death was cancer. E.J. Andre. He was born on 14th August 1908. He was an American writer, director, and actor on stage, film, and television. He died on 6 September 1984 at the age of 76. The reason of his death was cancer. June Marlowe. She was born on 6 November 1903. She was an American film actress. She died on 10th March 1984 at the age of 80. The reason of her death was Parkinson's disease. Robert Clampett. He was born on 8th May 1913. He was an American animator, director, producer, and puppeteer. He died on 2nd May 1984 at the age of 70. The reason of his death was heart attack. Billy Sands. He was born on 6 January 1911. He was an American character actor. He died on 27th August 1984 at the age of 73. The reason of his death was lung cancer. Mae McAvoy. She was born on 8 September 1899. She was an American actress. She died on 26 April 1984 at the age of 84. The reason of her death was heart attack. Richard Benedict. He was born on 8 January 1920. He was an Italian-American television and film actor and director. He died on 29 April 1984 at the age of 64. The reason of his death was heart attack. Kay Harding. She was born on 5th January 1924. She was a Swedish actress. She died on 15th March 1984 at the age of 60. The reason of her death was natural causes. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment and share.